Are you looking to match with your dream internship? Or are you looking beyond to residency? Stay tuned for 3 minutes of our best tips and tricks to crush it in the VIRMP. When asking for a recommendation, do be sure to specify that you are looking for an excellent recommendation. It's much harder to say yes if you have reservations about a candidate when the asker specifies that they're looking for something great. Speaking of recommendations, do be sure to ask for letters early in the VIRMP cycle. Ensure you give your reviewers a minimum of 3 weeks to complete their recommendations. The more time, the better. Do be prepared to provide a resume or CV and a letter of intent to your reviewers when you ask them to write for you. It helps them to provide a scaffolding to work from. Do use your extra 4th letter of intent to showcase unique aspects of your application. This could include research, unusual work such as working with exotics, or even someone who can speak to your professionalism and character. They don't have to be board certified. Don't write a vet school essay for your letter of intent. That one time in 5th grade where you dissected a cow's eyeball may have gotten you into vet school, but it's not appropriate for your letter of intent. Instead, focus on why you are pursuing additional training, what you hope to get out of it, and most importantly, how you intend to apply all you've learned to help animals and the profession as a whole. The more specific and personal you can be, the more impactful your personal statement. Don't only ask for letters from specialists in your current area of interest for a rotating internship. The most impactful letters come from people who have seen you function as close as possible to a practicing veterinarian and who have lots of experience writing letters. Even if you want to be an ophthalmologist, you need to show that you're a well-rounded doctor. Hi, I'm Jinni Sinnott-Stutzman. I'm the Director of Clinical Programs for BluePearl, and I've trained over 160 interns and 30 emergency and critical care residents. And in addition, I've written dozens of letters of recommendation for the VIRMP. And my biggest piece of advice is to try before you buy. So what I mean by that is do externships at your top 2 or 3 internship choices. And hey, go ham, bring a CV and say you'll interview during the externship. They may offer you a position before the VIRMP, which can save you a lot of headaches. If you have any questions about the content of this video, please don't hesitate to reach out. And if you want to talk about rotating internships at BluePearl, my email's right there.